Every safe flight begins with a complete pre-flight inspection. Never skip this important step. The Mini 4K is ready.
Green safety checks complete.
Always fly in wide open spaces. Never fly near airports or restricted areas. Respect the rules and keep everyone safe. Power lines are extremely dangerous. Always keep your drone far away from electrical cables and transmission towers. Strong winds, rain, and storms can quickly become dangerous. Land immediately if the weather changes. I always make sure to keep a good distance from everyone. People and animals can be easily startled. Battery full. GPS connected. Return to home ready. Now it's safe to fly. When the battery gets low, return to home brings the drone back safely. Fly responsibly, respect the rules, and enjoy capturing amazing moments safely. Happy flying!